In the hand of a maker. This is a knife, a screwdriver, sandpaper, a chisel, a marker, anything you want. There's no project that doesn't need it. We just created the best way to carry it every day, everywhere. But it doesn't open bottles. If your finger is in the ring, it's like there's no locking mechanism at all. But there is. Yeah, it doesn't open bottles though. It's 100% waterproof. You can use it with any hand, in any condition. No limits, even in case of an emergency. Nope, it doesn't open bottles. It has perpendicular flat faces. A maker knows what that means. It can mark, cut, sand, shape, carve, almost anything. But it can't open a bottle. Not that you need it to.
The Fat Freezer Platinum uses clinically proven technology to freeze away stubborn fat from the comfort of your own home. To optimize results, the Fat Freezer Platinum uses therapeutic BioLight in order to actively reduce the size of fat cells. The Fat Freezer Platinum will help you sculpt your body in exactly the way you want and keep it that way. It's safe, simple to use, and bottom line is, it really works. The Fat Freezer uses a medically known technology called cryolipolysis. It's a proven technique used in high-end clinics all across the globe. It's a safe and non-invasive alternative solution to liposuction. After years of research and development, they've managed to shrink this expensive clinical technology into an affordable, easy-to-use, fat-freezing home device.
Fat Freezer technology uses controlled cooling to freeze away stubborn fat cells under your skin. Over the first few weeks, your body will naturally dissolve and flush out the frozen fat cells.
In our clinical pilot study test for the Fat Freezer, we found the results to be overwhelming. We saw anywhere from a 10 to 24% fat reduction in stubborn areas, without any complications and no downtime.
The vision was to make charging your phone as simple as placing it on a surface. And to achieve this vision, we created the world's first long-distance wireless charger with a range of 40 millimeters. Charge your phone on the surface by placing the charger underneath it. A true wireless charging experience that disappears into your environment. Introducing Energy, the invisible fast wireless charger. Simply mount your Energy wireless charger using the adhesive mount, or screws for a more permanent fix, and begin charging your phone. With Energy, you can charge your phone through any organic surface, such as wood, granite, marble, glass, quartz, through thick cases and pop sockets. And because Energy is a Qi wireless charger, it can charge all current wireless charging smartphones, including flagship Apple and Android devices out of the box.
This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds.
Introducing zip-top containers, the world's first reusable 100% platinum silicone containers that stand up, stay open, and zip shut. Are they perfect? No. But yes, they are perfect. With 5 patents pending, the zip-top was designed with the environment in mind. One zip-top can replace over 5,000 plastic baggies, which could save who knows how many fish. It also might save some sharks too, but for a container that doesn't need a lid, it is worth the risk. And unlike baggies, the zip-top containers are tough. Heat, cold, cars. Even kids can't destroy it. And they will try.
This is mine. Give it to me.
They will always try. But you'll rest easy knowing that the zip-top can take whatever you throw at it, or in it. Need to store scalding hot soup? This laughs in the face of soup. This makes soup feel bad about itself. Look at it stand upright. Your liquids are secure now. Save your worrying for the sharks. Plus, it's easy to get excess air out of zip-top containers, which will keep your food fresher longer. Zip-top is freezer safe, microwave safe, and even oven safe. If it were any safer, we'd be calling it Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. And when you're done, just toss them in the dishwasher. The zip-tops are fine. Easy.